Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, i-unbox natin yung napanalunan ko sa raffle last January dun sa office namin. And actually, matagal ko na siyang na-shoot pero ngayon ko pa lang siya i-upload. So without further ado, let's go unbox it.
Before
So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng napanalunan ko sa raffle dun sa office namin. If you guys are following me on my IG, nakita nyo na siguro doon sa story ko yung sneak peek nung i-unbox natin for today, which wag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa kasi na-excite na rin ako para na makita siya and i-unbox. So, here it is. Any guess what it is? Yeah, it's a box. So yes, ito yung i-unbox natin for today. Hey, nakakatuwa lang kasi the day before ako manalo na ito, nag-canvas na ako actually kasi gusto ko na talagang bumili. So, after ko mag-canvas noon, kinabukasan pagising ko, nabasa ko na lang yung message like 5 a.m. Yeah, 5 a.m. Nabasa ko yung message which I'm gonna flash here para makita nyo kung ano yung message na gumulantang din sa akin. So yeah, I am so thankful and grateful and surprised din na nanalo ako nung raffle na to kasi since it's raffle, yeah, it's super duper unexpected and parang wala nga lang akong pakialam nun eh. Like, nung hinulog na yung tickets, okay, nakalimutan ko na meron pa pala kasi after nun, nakalive ako. So, hindi ko na alam kung naparaffle na ba nila or hindi. And then, tada! Knowing I won. I am a winner as I told you in my stories before. Oh, yes. I predicted it actually. Kasi, or it has been predicted. Kasi, nag-story ako the day before din ako manalo. Papakita ko rin sa inyo dito kung ano yung story ko na yon. In 2020, I'll be a winner. It says there na I'm gonna be a winner this 2020, which I am. That's why I have my crown here to show that I'm a winner. Excited na rin nga ako. Let's do it. Guys, like, nakakatuwa talaga. So, let's start na. Hindi na ako makapag-intay. How? I am just using a scissor. Wala akong cutter eh. So, let's see if I can unbox this. Here it is, guys. Siyempre, yung likod muna. Ah! Wala nyo. Charot. So, ito siya. It's a laptop, guys. So, which I am very thankful kasi magagamit ko talaga siya for my vlog. And for this one, let's continue unboxing. If hirap niyang buksan, grabe. Nakakatuwa lang. Ay. Guys, here it is. I hope you can see the... Oh, wow. So, medyo bigat pa siya. Let's see. Here's the actual laptop. So, let's set it aside first. Let's check yung iba pang laman ng box before we proceed to the actual item. So, of course, like, ano ba to? It's the user guide or the getting started or setup guide. Yeah. Yeah, so here's the model I got, guys. Yeah. Oh, it's so maliwanag. You can see it. Wait. Let me adjust my lighting. There it is. Yeah. So, yes. And another is, of course, I think this is the warranty card or the user's guide. Yes. And then, of course, hindi naman talaga mawawala ang ating charger. Hey, delicious. Actually, mas maliit na siya. Mas maliit siya dun sa laptop na gamit ko ngayon, which is kay ate. So, mas maliit yung, what do you call this? Basta. And that's it. That's it for the essentials. So, let's proceed na sa actual item. Ganun lang. Bilisan na natin. Kasi na-excite talaga akong magamit na siya. Oh my gosh. This cloth. Chores. Yee! Excitement. Ay. Uy, wow! Oh my gosh! I love the color. Oh my god, I love it. Yung texture na, uy, may laway ko pa. Sorry naman. Na-excite lang ng book. Pero I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you talaga. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm living for this. Ang ganda ng design. Like, I don't know what to say talaga, pero na-excite ako. Oh, shoots. This, oh my goodness. Ang ganda, like, I don't know. Natuwa lang ako, pero, by the way, yung bala ko palang bilhin sana before is yung Acer Acer Swift 3, yung may fingerprint scanner sa dito around here. So, guys, I'm so natutuwa. I got my very own laptop na. Oh my god. Like, I just for the thumbnail. Di ko Paano ba? How to do a thumbnail, guys? There, okay na yun. So, let's start it up. Oh my gosh, guys. So, I'm back and it's currently charging. So, let's wait for it to boot up. Kublay! So, it's currently booting up. So, while we're waiting for it, I'm gonna discuss to you the specs. Let's see. Asan ba yun? Let me find it muna. Alright, so as shown here sa box niya, says Aspire 3, model A314-32-C83Q. And yung color niya is shale black, which I really love. As I showed you earlier nga, di ba? Ang ganda niya, like, so classy, elegant, simple, and yes, basta maganda siya. So, yeah. Yung operating system niya is Windows 10. Processor Intel. Quad-core processor N4100. So, yung LCD screen niya or your LCD niya is 14 inches. And the graphics is UHD graphics, which is from Intel. Memory is 4 gig DDR4 memory. Storage naman is 500 gig HDD. Actually, yung tinignan ko, basta yung tinignan kong Acer Swift, it's 1 terabyte na. It's still booting up. It's saying just a moment. So, guys, I am really, really grateful and I am just so swerte. Like, sabi ko, oh my gosh, this is really it. Like, January pa lang, I am so swerte na. So, hopefully, which I wish and I'm claiming it for the whole year. So, from January onwards, we are always gonna be a winner. Yes, guys, by the way, while it's setting up, papakita ko na lang sa inyo muna yung mga ano niya, like the physical features. Here, kapag nakaharap sa inyo on your left side or my right side pag nakaharap sa akin, here's the headphone or earphone jack, and then the USB ports, and the power indicator, the charging indicator or the light, and then the charger port. What port? May port pa ba before that? Wala na. So, sa likod, nothing much. And then, in front, wala rin. And on the other side, my left side and your right side, you're going to see there these ports. I believe this is the Ethernet port. The, oh, let me check. Or if that's the HDMI. Yeah, the Ethernet port, the HDMI port. So Ethernet port, HDMI port, and then another USB port, and the memory card reader or the memory card port. Stuff there. So. By the way, guys, meron pa pala siyang kasama. I forgot. I nearly forgot. So, here it is. The Acer bag. I love it. It's actually a backpack which I really love kasi mas madali siyang bitbitin kaysa dun sa shoulder bag. Okay. So, this is pretty much it. Like, very simple. With pockets inside and actual lalagyanan ng laptop, which you can slip in. So guys, we successfully set this up. So here's how it looks like the first time we set this up. Yeah, it's so clean. The desktop, it's so clean. Wala kang masyado makita pang icon. Pero syempre, as time passes by, Charles, mapupuno yan ng icons. And whatever. By the way, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment about your suggestions, kung anong mga videos yung next videos na gusto niyo gawin ko. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga next uploads ko. Oh my gosh, guys, welcome to the fam! Chars!